Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to download and install Netflix on your PC devices. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorial videos on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, all you have to do is to simply go to your search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. So you can see mine is already there. Then open the store. Once you've opened the store, simply sign up. If you haven't signed up, you can see it over here. You can see the profile icon. So you can sign up to the store over here. And then once you've done that, then all you have to do is just search for Netflix. You can see it. I've already searched for it before. So once you search for Netflix, it's going to bring out the Netflix app. And then you'll be able to install it on your PC device. As you can see, this is the Netflix app at the top, so simply just click on it and then install it to your PC. As you can see, mine is already installed, so I'm going to open it for you guys so you guys can see it. So once you open your Netflix app, all you have to do is just log into your Netflix account, and then you'll be able to watch any movies or any TV show that you want to watch through your PC. So this is my own account, so let me open it up real quick. So as you can see, that's it for that. You can watch any movies or TV shows that you want. So it's quite simple. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar video, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.